Gadget and Bit Road Rally Review. Play. Road Rally. Find the car that's red with a yellow flag and blue tires. You've got it. Find the car that's purple with an orange flag and green tires. Well done! Find the car that's green with a blue flag and red tires. Find the car that's orange with a red flag and purple tires. That's it! Find the car that's blue with a purple flag and yellow tires. You've got it! Find the car that's yellow with a green flag and orange tires. Great! You found the correct race cars. Puzzles.